Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom list on Excel. Sometimes people would like to create their custom list on Excel for their regular use. In this situation, how they can create their own custom list? Microsoft Excel has the feature to add the custom list. Let's learn how you can set up this. In my Excel, I have a vegetable list. So I would like to create this as a custom list. First, we have to know what is custom list. The custom list has a predefined column. Microsoft Excel has already the custom list. For example, if you add the days for that, you can just add for start from Sunday. Just you can add SUN. Then you can drag it. It will be automatically filled for the list value. So you can also create this value as a custom list. So let's learn how you can set up this. So first we have to go to File, Options. Then you have to click on the Advanced. Then you have to scroll down. Under the General section, you have to click on the Edit Custom List. It will be open the custom list window. Here you can check it out, already has the some custom list. So you can also add the new custom list by select here. You can directly click the add button to add the list. But we have already a list, so we can use this list as a custom list. So we can also import the list from cell. So we have to click on the import button. Then you have to select the cell what you would like to import. Then we have to select the entire cells. Now we have to click this icon, then click on the import. That's it. Now you can check it out. All the list value has been listed here. Then you can click OK. Again you have to OK. Now this list has been created as a custom list. So you can check it out. You have to delete this. Just you can add the caret. Now you can just drag it. It will be automatically filled for the custom list. You can use this as a regular purpose. So in this way, you can create the custom list on Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.